welcome to another vlog. If you are new to my channel, my name is Divine, and thank you for coming to my channel. I wanted to start this vlog right now because I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be using what I am about to unbox tomorrow. This is still the same day as when I was in LA, when I celebrated the day with Ricky for our anniversary. So I'm gonna be unboxing and I'll show you guys what I have. So on my previous vlog, I did say that I stopped by a store earlier and I did buy something, and I think I told you guys that I did buy a camera. I just didn't tell you guys which camera I got, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I finally got this camera. I've been wanting to get this for about since it came out almost 6 months ago, and it is the DJI Osmo Pocket. Ricky finally, well, not Ricky finally, I finally decided I was gonna get it. Ricky has been trying to convince me to get it for a while now. Since even before it came out, he told me that I should get it and get the first dibs on it. But I just got my camera, my G7X at that time, and I couldn't justify buying another camera because I wasn't sure if I was gonna stick with doing vlogs. And since I have been vlogging continuously and routinely, I do feel like I will benefit from getting this one, especially when I'm vlogging and walking or running or doing something. It's very unstable, and I don't think I can justify buying a stabilizer or Buttercup, what do you call those stabilizers?
A gimbal.
I can't justify in buying those gimbals. That's why I decided to get this one. Ricky told me about it, so I told him earlier that I was thinking of getting this, and he said, yeah, go pull the trigger. I was trying to convince myself of not getting it, but he's so easy to be convinced when it comes to electronics,
Especially if I want
or gadgets, or he wants it to. But yeah, and he wanted me to unbox it tonight because we're gonna use it tomorrow. Do we have to charge this?
Yes. I mean, it has charge, but if we're going to use it tomorrow, we'd rather have a full battery.
Look at my pimple. I'm so bright.
You have to edit that out.
I can't edit it out. Can you open it, please?
No.
I can't open it. I don't have scissors with me.
Charge your phone real quick.
But I can't open it.
How did you not get a charging cord?
Because it's in my car. Ta-da! So I got the plastic off. If you guys don't know, Ricky has been wanting the DJI Mavic Pro. Is it the 2? Mavic Pro 2? But we can't justify the cost buying it for $1,500. I mean, I'm just average.
But I could justify buying a motorized skateboard
no,
for $1,500 by Boost.
no, he's not getting that. He is not getting that.
Boost, send me a board.
No. No.
Sorry, it's called Boosted.
Oh my god. I'm gonna kick him out of the room. Okay. Oh, this is so tiny. So, this is the device itself. Is it?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
That's the case.
It's a case?
Yeah.
I think I came with a case. How do I take it off? Oh, it's plastic or rubber. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. Why is it crooked? There you go. Look at this. So this is like a case, and it goes sideways, so you can keep it like this, and then you open it, take it out, and this is the camera. I was gonna go compare it side by side with the camera, but then again, I forgot that I'm actually using the camera right now. So the lens is right here, and the button to record is right here, and there's no screen. It connects to the phone, right?
Yes, it could connect to the phone.
But
It's all in the, there's another box in there.
oh, now it's, oh, there's also a lens. So this is like a power button, and then there's the lens. I'm
You
gonna
should probably
take it
take
out.
off everything before you turn it on, because it has to stabilize itself.
I just did.
I know, but that rubber piece right there?
Oh, is that not part of it?
No?
Oh, okay. So just cut that out. And then another sticker.
So when you turn it on, it'll kind of like rotate itself sometimes. Right, see?
Yeah, it did earlier. Oh, look at that! It's just so cute.
So if I just set
But how
it,
do I... Is it... Oh, it's touch screen.
yes.
So you can tell I haven't
There's
really...
a box inside that has a charging cord and
And
the
it has a
ports.
focus,
Tracking and everything.
yeah. Is this 4K?
Yes. At 60 frames. 60 frames. Yeah, 60 frames.
60 seconds per... Or no.
60 frames. So you can get 100, you can do 180p at 120k. So what that means is that you get more, you get sharper image. The 4K you'll get a big image, but it's just, you gotta do slower stuff. If you do quick stuff, it won't show.
So, I feel like I'm pretty good in math. But when it comes to like terminologies and electronic vocabularies, I am not very good at that. So, whatever Ricky said. Device not activated.
It has to be seen. You don't even have the GoPro app on your phone.
I need a GoPro app for this.
Oh, I'm sorry, DJI Pro.
Oh.
It's a Maverick.
And I think this is where I put the... Oh yeah. So you pull this little tiny cap or slide. I think that's where you put the...
You should probably pull them out of the box. They're in the box.
There's this little tiny guy right here. And I pulled that one out. And I guess I have to put this in right here.
Mm-hmm.
How come it won't come in? It won't go in. Am I gonna break it?
No.
See, he
It's
takes it
tough.
from me.
Because it's brand new. And it connects through. There you go. And now we'll connect to your phone. And then from there you can control it, but your phone has no battery for us to even demonstrate it. So we can demonstrate it tomorrow morning before we start running.
We're not gonna be running, we're hiking.
Before we start pretending to do anything.
If we wake up, it's already midnight. Anyways, so I also got this one. This is the SD card, and they said that I needed to get the micro, so I got a 64 gigabyte. Connect to DJI Mimo.
The app.
Oh, so I have to connect it, but I won't be able to because my battery is dead on my phone, and we only have one charger. So, alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I test this one out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!